This year, I wanted to learn something new. No, it's not flying FPV drones, that's too complicated. Instead, I wanted to learn how to build stuff, like actual stuff. So I bought a van with the goal of building a tiny home inside. It's been a few months, and no, the van is not ready yet, but it's getting there. And that's what this video is about. So, on the previous episode, I laid down the subfloor, and today the plan is to put on the actual floor because it's going to make the van look so much better already. But before I do that, there are a few things I need to get done first. I'm really enjoying building this stuff. I don't know why, but it's really fun. Oh, and if you're wondering why I left this edge here, it's because the fridge is going on top. These two are done, which means it's time to put on the floor. So I just discovered there are a few different shades. This one is really light and that's what I'm going for. And this one is dark and I really don't like it. So I'm going to use these ones on the areas that are not visible and this one on the corridor. So that's the plan. Look at this, it's starting to look like an actual home. And the best part is that it's waterproof. You spill some water, not a problem. You know what's bothering me? Is that it's taking way too long to build. So let's just change the song and speed this up. just like this, the rear doors are done, which means it's finally time to build the walls. But before that, I need to cut 2 holes on the van, one to feed the cables from the solar panels to the inside of the van, and another one to refill the water tanks. So that's what I'm going to do now. This is not working. Look at this! We have a toilet! Oh my god, this is so cool! It's so tiny! Woo! Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papita frita. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros, comida rica. Dame la comida buena, chicharrones, papita frita. Dame un bistec de cerdo, frijoles negros, comida rica. There you go. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? After 4 months of work, everything is finally coming together. I can't wait to start building all the cabinets and the bed and make it comfortable, but I guess that will have to wait. Until then, wish me luck. Before you go, I just want to tell you about today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. If you have been following me for a while, you know that Skillshare is a big supporter of my channel. And if you enjoy what I'm doing here and you want to support me, the best way to do it is by supporting my sponsors. So Skillshare is basically an online community for people like you and me, and for creative people that want to learn new stuff. You can find classes on basically any topics, from photography, video, freelancing, design, basically everything you can think of. If you have been wanting to start your own YouTube channel, I would recommend this class by Marcus Brownlee, also known as MKBHD. It teaches you everything from researching, writing, filming, editing. Plus, he has been making YouTube videos for over 10 years now. So I honestly couldn't think of a better teacher if you're just starting out. Another great class is this one by my friend Nathaniel. He has done it again, and this time is teaching you all the tips and tricks to improve your relationship with the camera, which is critical if you want to start a YouTube channel. The best part of this is that you can watch all these classes for free. Yeah, for free. Since Skillshare is sponsoring this video, the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium, so you can watch all the classes you want. But the annual subscription is really affordable and it comes in less than $10 a month, which is really hard to beat, honestly. Again, thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.